I just had an
Morning, ma'am.
important call to attend to, right? So thank you for patiently waiting for me, right? So how are you all?
Fine.
Good, ma'am.
All right. So do we have any presentations for today? हाँ जी बच्चे. Oh, I am also fine, Pradeep. Thank you so much. So, okay, yes, Aryan, I was about to ask you, right? And I believe Neha also was talking about presenting today. So, Neha, is your presentation ready as well?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. So, should we begin with Aryan? So, Aryan, are you ready to present? So, I am just worried about the strength. Why are there less students today? Anyway, so we can begin, right? So, Aryan, I'll just change the settings here so that you can share your screen. So yes, I have changed it. Please check if you are able to share the screen.
And is it visible?
Yes, Sache, your screen is visible.
Okay, ma'am.
So hello friends. Myself.
Is it audible?
Yes, it was audible.
Okay, ma'am.
So hello friends. Myself Aryan, and today's my topic is meaning of life. So what is life? They said it's from B to D, from birth to death. But what's between B and D? It's C. So what is C? It's a choice of our life is a matter of choices. Live well and it will never go wrong. Life is a journey. It is not a race. Life is a journey to get success and make a history. Life is journey to possible every single dream of your life. Life is not a joke. So please don't waste it. You know, daily in India, average 1000 people die, but 67,385 babies born. It means 67,385 new lives. Life is an opportunity. When you try, you fail. You try again, fail again. But remember, nothing is impossible. When you past, you make future for you and history for others. And that day of your life, you can feel what is real happiness of life. According to me, parts of life is time, problems, new chance, opportunity, struggle, and success. In this life, you have a great chance to spend time with your family, make a new friends and enjoy with your friends, and enjoy every single moment of life. and make a beautiful moments. God gives us a beautiful chance for face everything and start a new journey and make history yours. In this life, don't fear. Fear. It has two meanings. Face everything and race. And second is forget everything and run. No doubt life is beautiful but not always easy. Don't wait for perfect moment in your life. Take a moment and make it perfect. So at the last, every new morning, every new chance, every new day is a new life. So let's make it beautiful. Thank you, my dear friends.
All right, Aryan, that was wonderful. That was really,
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
put in a lot of effort and you made such a beautiful video.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
I hope the rest of the students also enjoyed it as much as I did. Right? And the topic you picked was also very, something which we all need to hear. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So had you been in class, I would have made the class clap for you, right? But here we can only cheer you, right? We can say well done, and I hope everybody else also enjoyed the video, right? So keep that
Thank you,
up,
ma'am.
right? Keep making such
Thank
videos,
you.
and I think this is a good idea to express your creativity, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Oh, we have emoji of clap. That's good. So yes, why not make a use of it, right? Oh, that is wonderful. All right, we need to do this more often, right? So whenever you like something, whatever your classmates put in, whenever you like somebody's point of view or idea, make sure we use this emoji, right? Okay. So who will be next? Yes, Neha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Neha. So, Bacha, you may share your screen whenever you are ready.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे, any help you need?
Ma'am, screen visible है?
हाँ जी visible है.
Okay, ma'am. Respected ma'am and dear students, good morning to all of you. Myself Neha Jasrotia from BTech Civil. Today's here I am going to present a views on the topic women empowerment. I hope you will listen it carefully. So let's begin. Women empowerment definition. Empowerment is the process of increasing the authority and responsibility of individuals or groups to make choices and to transform those choices into desired actions and outcomes. Women empowerment has 5 components. मैम स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
हाँ जी बेटा विजिबल है. आप अगर वैसे जस्ट
Okay, ma'am.
टिप आप इसको अगर अपना उसमें कर लो ना स्क्रीन रोटेशन, then I think we'll be able to view one slide at a time. Just try it.
मैम वैसे तो नहीं हो रहा.
ओके चलो नहीं तो आप ऐसे ही कर लो इसको, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, ma'am. Women empowerment has 5 components. First one is women's sense of self-worth. Second is their right to have and to determine choices. Third one is their right to have access to opportunities and resources. Fourth is their right to have the power to control their own lives both within and outside the home, and their ability to influence the direction of social change to create a more just social and economical order nationally and internationally. Next slide is women empowerment. Women empowerment refers to increasing the spiritual, political, social, educational, gender, or economical strength of individual and communities of women. And last in conclusion, women represent half the world population and gender inequality exists in every nation on the planet. Second is until women are given the same opportunities that men are, entire societies will be destined to perform below their true potentials. And last is the greatest need of the hour is change of social attitude of women. Thanks.
All right, that was a good effort. Yes, Neha, so I really like the aesthetics of your presentation, right? The colors you picked, and also the content was just right, not too elaborate and neither too short. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. That was well done. So anybody else who would like to submit? हाँ जी बच्चे. So nobody? I think some of you are still left. Right? Anyway, so all right. What I had planned for the day was that we can, have mock interview. So is that a good idea? Like I'll be asking you questions, what questions which are, expected in an interview, and then you can answer them, right? Or we can do one thing, that each of you also think of a question, right? And then you can ask one of your classmates. So is that a good idea?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll give you 5 minutes, right? I think 5 minutes is a good time, right? You can just think of what you can possibly ask, right? Or what you can get asked in an interview, right? What you might be expected to answer in an interview, right? And then we can all share our questions, and then like anybody can take turns and answer the questions, or I'll just say the names and that person will be answering the question, right? Hanji, so are we ready for this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, take your 5 minutes and think of a question for an interview, right? What might be there, क्या आपको पूछ सकते हैं, it could be an introductory one or something which is there in the end, right? So take your time. All right, so is anybody ready with their question? हाँ जी बच्चे. So who would like to start? Or we can start roll number wise. However, we'll start from the last one. हाँ जी, yes बच्चे. All right. So Yuvika is in the class. Hanji, Yuvika, am I audible? Okay, so you have background noise. All right, so Yuvika, you can suggest your question here in the chat itself. No problem. So if you have already thought of a question, you're most welcome to share it here. Hanji, Yuvika. Okay, you're still thinking. All right. Then let's move to Hanji, Vishal Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, Vishal. So आपने बेटा, I hope you have thought of a question.
Yes, ma'am. हाले सोचने दे
अभी सोचा नहीं है?
नहीं मैम सोचने दे
Okay, so take your time. What about Vishal Gupta?
Ma'am, not yet.
Oh, how come it is so tough? Okay, Amandeep. So yes, you may ask aptitude questions. However, I have no way of knowing whether the answers would be correct, relevant or not. So you are going to be, checking that as well. So Amandeep, is your question ready? Actually, this is more about how you answer it. So even if you don't know the
Ma'am?
answer, Hanji,
मैम आप क्वेश्चन पूछो,
मैं ही पूछूं?
क्विज कर लो. यस मैम.
Quiz.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ये ठीक रहेगा.
Okay, so you mean I should ask quiz about your coursework?
Any.
Any? Okay, I think it is a good idea if I ask you, let's say, questions. It can be general.
Like an interview.
Hanji. Yes, bache, who was the one who just spoke? So आप please repeat करना. I missed what you were trying to say. All right, then I'll randomly pick students, right? And I'll ask you a question and then you can answer it, right? So, all right, Yuvika, the question for you would be, you can write it down in case you have background noise, right? Otherwise, why don't you try to find a, a spot where there is no background noise, a relatively quieter spot? All right, yes, we can do that, Vishal. Hanji, Yuvika. So, Yuvika, question for you would be, how do you feel about working on the weekends? So Yuvika, I hope you got my question. You can reply in the chat. I don't mind in case you have, background noise. All right. So take your time, Yuvika, and answer me. Okay. So next I am going to ask Vishal Kumar. So Vishal Kumar, the question for you would be, now see this,
Yes,
since this is a mock interview, you don't have to go into the specifics. आपने imagine करके answer देना है, right? So this is why a generic
ma'am.
question will be asked and you have to reply in a very general manner only, right? So okay, Vishal Kumar,
Okay, ma'am.
the question for
Hanji,
you
ma'am.
is, why do you want to work in this firm? So just think of it, whether, think of any firm, right? Just imagine about it and think if you get asked this question in the interview, what your answer would be. Right, Vishal?
हम दोबारा रिपीट करना.
So the question is, why do you want to work with us? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अब वो आप सोच लो कि आपने कुछ भी इमेजिन कर लो कि आपने कहाँ पे इंटरव्यू दी है, ठीक है? तो आप वो चाहे कंपनी का नेम भी ले सकते हो एंड जस्ट मेक एन आंसर. व्हाट वुड यू आंसर? कि अगर आपको कोई ऐसे पूछ ले एम्प्लॉयर कि आप हमारे साथ वर्क क्यों करना चाहते हो, तो आप क्या आंसर दोगे, राइट? तो अब इसमें आपके
Okay,
ऊपर डिपेंड
ma'am.
करता है कि आपने क्या पॉइंट्स बोलने हैं. ठीक है जी? सो ऑल राइट, सो अमनदीप हैज थॉट ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन. Okay, very good, Amandeep. So, but I am not sure if, you know, we can apply that rule here and check whether anybody is using Google or not. So I think that is a good question and I'll ask someone. Okay, Amandeep, why don't you suggest a person? आप pick करो आपने किसको ये question पूछना है, ठीक है जी? And then you can go ahead and ask it. Yes, we'll give only 5 seconds for the answer. All right, so who do I ask? Okay, Tamanna. Okay, Tamanna, so the question for you is, Tamanna, are you ready? All right, Tamanna. So name 2 countries which start with the alphabet D. So whose name starts with alphabet D? 2 countries. So I'll give you 10 seconds, right? Oh, very good. She is very quick on the spot. Dubai and Denmark. All right, Dubai is not a country. So it is one of the emirate, I believe. हाँ जी बेटा, one more. दुबई तो जैसे आपने यूएई सुना ना, यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स, उनमें एमिरेट्स हैं, तो उनमें से एक दुबई है, राइट? जैसे बाकी अल एन है, देयर आर सेवरल अदर्स. So think of another country. The time is just out. Yes, you are right, Amandeep. So Amandeep, why don't you answer? You must have thought of the answer as well. All right. So in the meantime, I'll read out Yuvika's answer. So she has answered that in an emergency, she will not mind doing work at working during the weekends as well. However, it will be her try to complete her work as soon as possible. Right. So that is a good idea. You know, you can also answer, because अगर आप totally ये वाला answer दे दोगे ना कि no, I don't mind at all, तो उससे it can reflect differently on you, right? So either the employer will think oh, you are very keen to work, but कई बार क्या होता है कि this person is maybe a workaholic, right? So उसमें इसका थोड़ा सा mixed होता है. So the you know, you always have to give the balanced answer. So one balanced answer could be that yes, you can say whenever the need arises, I don't mind working on the weekends. However, I feel to maintain a healthy work-life balance, we need the weekends to ourselves. ठीक है जी? Okay, yes, Tamanna, I'll read your answer as well. Yes, that is good. Like, you working on weekends is also fun. If you are enjoying what you do, if you're passionate about your work, right, then it doesn't feel like work at all. However, yes, weekends are necessary and you need to let your mind and body relax. You need to give time to your family and friends as well, right? For, you know, healthier performance at your workplace. Yes, okay. So Amandeep, yeah, your answer is partly correct, because जो ये है ना, ओके, डोमिनिकन रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो. कॉन्गो को बेसिकली ना ज्यादा हम कॉन्गो के नाम से ही जानते हैं, तो ये सी की उसमें आ जाएगा. जैसे अब रिपब्लिक ऑफ इंडिया है, बट नेम तो हमारा इंडिया ही चलता है ना ज्यादा. सिमिलरली जैसे डोमिनिकन रिपब्लिक, आई थिंक इट्स अ सेपरेट कंट्री, राइट? Okay, so Vishal Gupta's, oh, this is fun. Okay, so you guys want a proper quiz, right? Or the quiz trivia. I can come up with questions then. So okay. First, let me pick who will answer. So Vishal Gupta, you have anybody in mind? बेटा जैसे अगर आपका कोई नेम ले रहा है ना फॉर आंसरिंग, यू डोंट हैव टू टेक इट पर्सनली, ऑलराइट? सो ऑल ऑफ यू कैन आंसर एनीबॉडीज क्वेश्चन एंड आस्क एनीबॉडी द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है जी? Okay, so Vishal Gupta's question for Gurjinder. So Gurjinder, you are ready to answer? हाँ जी Gurjinder.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'll give you 5 seconds for the answer, right?
Ma'am, question repeat करें.
Question मैं आपको बताती हूँ, but आपको वैसे पहले ही बता रही हूँ कि you'll get 5 seconds to answer. So the question is, now listen very carefully. Which country is known as the land of rising sun?
Ma'am, land of क्या दसी?
Rising sun. Rising sun. चैट में लिख दो. वैसे वो इसमें टाइम निकल जाता है, but anyway. I hope you're not using this time to Google.
Ma'am, अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
Oh, actually, India में वो हो सकता है, but I asked you a country, right? So the country would be Japan, right?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, इंडिया में स्टेट हम कह सकते हैं कि चलो अरुणाचल प्रदेश. All right. So now students will take 5 minutes break, right? And आपने interview questions भी सोचने हैं, and you also have to think about such trivia questions, right? So at times, you know, they ask you trivia questions as well. Why? Just to throw you off, right? Just to check how composed you are, how confident you are feeling in the interview. तो ऐसे कई बार बिल्कुल ही out of the blue कोई weird सा unexpected question भी पूछ लेते हैं. ठीक है जी? That is just to check how attentive you are, how alert you are. So now we'll take 5 minutes break and we'll meet again. Till then, think of the questions, right, which you want to ask your classmates. All right.